Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, you are welcome. Bonjour, bandeko, soyez les bienvenus dans mon lady. Today I'll make pasta. I got oil. I got hot dog. I use hot dog. I got salt. I got pasta here, and then here I have my tomato sauce. I already made that. I'll put this recipe Thursday in the premiere. If you want it my recipe, I'll make my tomato sauce, pasta tomato sauce. Tuesday I'll put my recipe there. I'll put my recipe there. Here, I already made this pasta tomato sauce. So delicious. Bonjour bandeko surtout. Lelo na o sala pâte. Na o sala pâte dans la pâte na huilawa. Na basosi na mike o ba lera na mapa basosi mike. Nazana mungwawa. Nazana pâte nanga awa o nazwi. Oyo yo eza tomate sauce nangai. Tomate sauce nanga na sali pona ya ba pâte. Tina sala ki yango na ekota jeudi na premier. Soko lingo yeba ndenge ni na sali tomate sauce nanga oyo yo eza botieze ebeli deja kaka. Pona sara biloko yo apena tcheli kolo. Donc eza kitoko vraiment. Bana basepinga bana na basepila kana ngo vraiment. Na sala recette ya tomate ya ba pâte yo bana balinga kango. Soko lingo yeba ndenge na sali tomate nanga oyo ba pâte yo yaka jeudi na première na chap première et kota jeudi au monango ndenge na tina cette tomate nanga ya ba pâte eza vraiment kitoko yango yo siko eza kana na osala kaka na wana baka pâte nangai après wana bo mona donc vidéo eza na ngombe pousser na ngombe la eza mo pousser mais soso yo so bo mekiango bo sepela bo bengo moi les deux ans raison ils ont vraiment kitoko. Merci beaucoup. Let's go next step. Talking the step oilandi. Yango yo I add little bit salt. Nati mungwa mukie. Ncheka po ni nanga sauce nanga eza na mungwa. Okay. I'll add oil. Nache huile. Ndam. Ndio moni wana eza ndam. Nache na nyo sauté na tiki mususu. Après, after I'll add my pasta. Nache pasta nanga. I'll add my pasta. I'll leave that to cook. I'll leave that to cook. I'll put lid. I'll leave that to cook. Now, chama fini na chicken eto kati elemba. Après bomo na tozunga step ilandi. Now my pasta water finish. My seal I add na chango for 5 minutes. I'll add that for 2 minutes. For 5 minutes. I'll add that for 5 minutes. Done. After finish, just 5 minutes now. Après see 5 minutes, take off 5 minutes and then done. Two minutes left. 2 minutes tikali na obalola nkaka ebela na yango. Uyi na tika mukiewana na oyo ezobela 5 minutes. Donc on a fait 2 minutes. 2 minutes left and then done. Now it's done. See? 5 minutes et coquille et kaya on déjà goût. Bon, ça c'est sauce on a salade qui mama nanga. So delicious. And I want to add my sauce. Wow. Simple but nice. See now, so delicious. Now my pasta ready. Here is already. It's nice. This one, I'll add little bit cheese on top. Natie fromage moke na likolo. Fromage moke na likolo. That's it. That one, I don't like it with cheese. Nani golena fromage teza kitoko, so delicious. I'll add mine. I hope you enjoy it. This is so delicious. On Thursday, come to watch it. I make my pasta sauce. Then I sali sauce ya pate nanga. Merci beaucoup. Abonnez-vous. Subscribe. Thank you. Bye.